Um, countryman, this is yeah. What they call him about the Portmore shooting. This is the same taxi driver. What they call him. They want to put some more, clarify some more stuff, because
that's a young man right there who is locked up in 100-man police station, and the police they're being corrupt. They're doing all sorts of things. For number one, this young man has been shot in his back, and obviously the person ran up on them and said, "Police, shoot him in his back." Now they're saying that the person that shot the man is a civilian. So trying to report a civilian shooting to INDECOM, that's not allowed. But long story short, the man who's speaking here, he is the witness that was with the man who got shot over there in Portmore. And they also put this man, the witness, locked him up for 3 weeks, put him on an identification period, and he beat the identification period because he never did anything. And they're still trying to stonewall and railroad these young men. Now, I'm gonna play the recording, but I'm also gonna interject because I'm telling you, this is a very deep case, and this highlights the corruption that I've been talking about coming out of the 100-man police station. Jason, he's a big part of that. All of those police, and it just seems like I'm gonna have to turn up my verbal attack on these police and the scrutiny and call some attention to them. I'm trying to respect them because they're law enforcement officers, but we need justice for this young man. So let's go.
and here some things like what need to be clarified is when me go down by INDECOM and them refuse to take the statement from me. So I go police of inspectorate go lodge record the statement. So down there now at the police of inspectorate, and I go the police of inspectorate and record the statement. To the inspectorate now, the police record the statement and then give me a copy of the statement. Is me now turn around and give the investigator the contact number for the detective investigator in the matter when named Salman. So then Salman tell the police of inspectorate so they need to talk to me. So the police of inspectorate the superintendent who did in charge of whatever operation at the time down there, tell him say him is dealing with a customers now, and the man come here and lodge in statement say if you need to talk to him, you need to send one unit come here because he might deal with the customers. And then when him send a vehicle now, Salman send a vehicle to come for me with 2 police and want to talk to me. So I just now them put me in a custody at the police, which Salman take away the statement from me and put me in a custody at the police for 3 weeks lock up without no formal charges and put me on the identification period. So it really go. She show me a helping and like to come in and to come defend me. So really and truly Miss Valerie Nita Robertson did not do anything at all. Like to say have anything pertaining to the case like to try to protect the man them or anything like that. She never do anything like to try to protect the man them like that. She just tell me say based on the case how the case ago, they are being biased. Based on true say well then the man have a criminal record for the name of simple last name and him name. So that's why they might be biased. But we just have to just wait until the matter reach trial. And then now I am the potential defense witness. So me just able to just tell them in court now, like tell the judge what happened. And the matter probably will be dismissed.
He said he went to INDECOM, you know, to lodge a complaint as the witness, and because he said the man who approached them said he was police. The INDECOM man in INDECOM called a police officer at 100 man. They did their fancy talk. The police from 100 man investigating the incident sent 2 police to come and pick him up. When he went back to the 100 man to talk to the investigator, they took the witness statement that he had printed out, took it from him, and threw him in jail for 3 weeks and put him on an identification parade, which he beat, and then they let him out. It's a total violation of his rights, but it's not finished yet. Let's go.
And me even want to mention the man name was shot me from down at INDECOM. When he was Russian Frit.
Just to show you how the corruption is in Jamaica. This man here who's a witness in another case now in 2023. He's gonna explain that his boss was shot up because he was a taxi driver or a bus driver with a legit everything, and he's gonna explain, say his boss was shot up. He thought it was police, but it was a member of the civilian, and that civilian was working with INDECOM. So a member of INDECOM shot up a passenger bus, and nothing came out of it. He's gonna explain. Check this out.
Him name Russian Frit, him shoot up the public passenger vehicle and shot me in 2015, the 2nd of March, on the roundabout up a Constance Plain, right in front of police. Him do that. I'm going to INDECOM thinking say him did police too. I did the police shot me, but upon investigation it has discovered say him shot me and not the police. Who I could be able to identify that he was pointing his firearm in my direction also. So I went to INDECOM, and upon investigation of INDECOM, they have told me, or them send me a letter, them send me something in writing, so ballistic evidence collected match the private firearm of Mr. Russian Frit. Yes, and say that he's a licensed firearm holder, and them on over the case file in 2017 back to the police. So the police supposed to do a further investigation in the matter for apprehend the man, for lock up the man who shoot up the public passenger vehicle and shot me.
Subscribers and viewers, we have a new channel. It's called Countryman Canada, and this channel, it's geared towards Canada and the gangster them, and the dirty boy them, and the knackies, and the pussy hole them. Countryman is gonna talk about them, because let me tell you something about Canada. There is a lot of Caribbean people living in Canada, and if you know some of the stuff they go through and do, it make your hair spin. Canada is not a bed of roses. So this is in a partnership with 6 Degrees. Check out Countryman Canada, the YouTube channel.
Yeah, so that one, Mr. Russian Frit, and then Mr. Russian Frit cuss me off and tell me about him wife, a big lawyer down at 48 Duke Street. Say she named Judy and Dixie Frit, and said that no prime minister will run the country. Andrew Wallace, Bruce Golding, any one of them will run the country. Poster seems similar. No prime minister can carry him to justice based on this, because him shoot me for a legal matter. When me a drive left transport authority for, but when transport authority use them private motor vehicle as a weapon for turning my path, so them use them vehicle as a weapon for turning my path, because we was going the opposite direction and them swing them vehicle off of me, so I have to swerve away from them. So truly I use them vehicle as a weapon, and then I saw a policeman from down at the Elliston Road Division who I can able to identify him. You know? As one Mr. Sergeant Chungy from down at the way me. Down at the Elliston Road Division, when assigned to work along with the Transport Authority. He was pointing a firearm in my direction. After them swerved the vehicle off of me and then me stop about 3 or 4 vehicles to see what kind of thing this. When me look now, me see one police Prado and the policeman a pointing gun at me. That same sergeant of police a pointing gun at me. And I say, hey boy, don't move, you know. So me then becomes in fear of my life now. I am not running away from the law, you know, like to try to disobey the law. Because ignorance against the law is no excuse. You understand? But when a police use them unit as a weapon to endanger my life and then I pull firearm and point in my direction now. That's the time now when me becomes inferior, the police are pointing gun for me. So I decided to run away from him, not the law, you know. And I said, I'm going to drive to a nearest police station or something, and they might use a transport bus to try to bank me or run me off a road, so they might chase me up and down all over the place. So till me reach up a Constant Spring, when me look now, it's like me elude them, me at a distance from them now, so they're wearing, I stop now to set off the passenger them now, and say me I go over Constant Spring police station, drive go over there, because I don't know what this man here, I drive me down so far. So because the whole idea where come up in my head, why they might chase me, is because me sue them already. Me sue them already, have a case in the Supreme Court against them, you know. So the judge referred the matter to mediation, and them say the case upon final trial, so them supposed to make me an offer at a mediation and come to a settlement before 2024 at July. With a matter there, so that's why them come back in at 2015, like them a try to kill me to solve the case, and a drive me down and a pint gun off of me. So it's like that them having an intention to try to kill me, because everybody will sue Attorney General and sue police and sue government. Them always send people come kill them, because I lose one of my own colleague to same way in Barbican, wherein I operate taxi within the Barbican era. Yeah, I'm the carriage taxi, what my license for do charter, and me have all relevant documents was up to date, and my license for carry passenger, and a passenger me I carry. And them come, I drive me down and I shoot up the public passenger vehicle when me have a license for carry people, and shot me.
When you hear that, people, more know what to think about that. It sounds like the Wild Wild West, if you ask me. It seems like the police, they're more a chase down taxi man than anything else, than chase down criminal. Anyways, we are gonna finish listening this. We were talking about a young man who's in jail right now, and this is the witness. But the witness, this guy here, him kinda explain some past cases he's involved in. Now, in the next video that's coming up, cause this one the witness talking, we're gonna get more of the story of the young man in the front of this video that's sitting in 100-man police station. So this is a prerequisites of what's coming in the next video.
Shot me from all back way too. In my bottom, the man shot me from back way, meanwhile I was running away from him. Shoot up the vehicle, shoot out all the back glass of the vehicle. Yeah, I have the vehicle in the police station up a Constant Spring. That's a different scenario with him. For actually 3 years after me pay the record bill, they said they seen a crime man, I'll take the picture of the vehicle, to see which part the gunshot hole, shoot through the back of the windshield. This lights a fire molar do something like this, fire gunshot through the back windshield of the vehicle and shot me from back way too. And INDECOM never do nothing about it. All them do I tell me about it, the man was working at the police civilian oversight authority at the time of the shooting, and he was subsequently was employed to the commission of INDECOM and but that engagement has ended. So them send me all of that in a letter say at the time of the shooting he was on his material time to see me. So me I wonder how the law stayed away there. Come like the law set up standing down where the law is concerned. Because if ignorance against the law is no excuse and the law is not impartial of anyone. I would have think so the police is not the law too. The police is not the law. The police is there to uphold the law, or to rather enforce the law and serve and protect. And if them come up by an investigation that is a licensed firearm holder has shot me, by a ballistic evidence proof that said it is a licensed firearm holder who has shot me and it's not the police which was there running along with him, where him push the police out of the way and shoot up the public passenger vehicle right in front of police, and then police them no do nothing about that. Now lock up on licensed firearm holder who open fire upon a public passenger vehicle, even after a moving vehicle. Shooting less than 40 feet away from the roadway that is breaches towards the firearm act, you know. And shooting after a person who is running away from you, who is not posing a threat, that is also illegal to see me. So the man is supposed to get charged for wrongful use of firearm and shooting with intent and go in front of the judge. Let the judge go ask him say guilty or not guilty. And the 2nd of March of 2015, what do you please sir if you shoot up a public passenger vehicle and shot the driver, which is Mr. You know my name already. Shoot driver. And you depend your material time and you don't even in a your line of duty, and I take out one license gun out of your waist now and see police depend for them duty. I drive down a man, or transport authority I drive down a man, and you take out your license gun and shoot up the public passenger vehicle right in front of police, and I tell me about say your wife a big lie down a 48 Duke Street, Trudy and Dixon Street. 48 Duke Street, he say wife a big liar, and not even Andrew Wilness and the Prime Minister, any Prime Minister, Bruce Golding, anybody who in power can't do nothing about that. Cause wife a big liar. So me can go check any liar I want to call. Cause nobody can help me.
Now, this is the part 1 of this series. We're gonna talk more about the actual young man who got shot in his back, you understand, and the witness was the taxi driver, and he was speaking, but he elaborated on another situation that's going on. So this is just to bring light to all the policing and the police system, and how we as Jamaicans, what the struggle we have to go through to get justice. And the system seems like it protects everybody else except the people, the civilian in the country. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. Peace, I'm out, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.